Panasonic Live at Mobile World Congress 2017. I don't know about you, but I've certainly been in a position where I'm at the airport trying to download a big file for work or maybe even a movie to watch on the plane, and it just never happens. There's just not enough juice to make that happen. Well, Panasonic is doing something about it. We recently did a trial at Narita Airport in Japan of our new YGig solution. Stephen Yo's here to tell us a little bit more. Stephen.
Thank you very much, Michael. So yes, we're demonstrating our new YGig technology here. It's capable of transmitting at 2 gigabits per second up to a couple of meters distance. As you said, Michael, at Narita Airport, we can transmit a 2-hour video in 10 seconds. So really, really cool if, for example, you want to be able to transmit a library of films into an aircraft, for example. You can put an aerial on your bridge to the aircraft, and you can fill it full of new movies in really just seconds.
And we've got the LTE base station as well. Talk us through that one.
So what this is that imagine that you've got a fairly large area like an airport site, and what we're offering is the ability for airport operators to give themselves private LTE high bandwidth networks for things such as data communication, voice communication, emergency services. What's nice about our solution is that, as I say, it's a metropolitan area network, but it's highly, highly programmable. So we can, for example, change the frequency spectrum so that it fits into local regulation, or you can avoid competing with maybe local private operators of LTE.
Okay, and finally, let's touch on the HDPLC. This is a really unique solution. It's great technology.
This is actually remarkable. It looks fairly innocuous. Everybody knows technology about Ethernet over power, which is very common in the home. But what this does is really it's designed for commercial and larger applications. What makes it different? Well, first of all, it can jump over up to 10 different power networks. So we have, for example, just like a network, you'll have like sub-power networks, and you can put these bridges between, and the signal, we have a protocol that will allow you to jump across 10 different power networks up to 24 kilometers in total, which allows you, for example, to give bandwidth without having to dig things up, or if you've got wireless shadows, for example. This is great technology to wire up a large site and get it all connected. So, for example, for communications, or even things like connecting your smart meters to the grid so that you can optimize your power usage.
Stephen, thank you very much for joining us on Panasonic Live at Mobile World Congress. Don't forget, if you're coming by the show this week, we're in Hall 6 on stand H31. Come and see it for yourself.